Good morning. We are back at the AUV house. Already made it through the gate. Nice sunny skies today. It's time to head to, well, we're going to stop in Talojong for church and then to Is Lorena. Let's go. Wanted to stop here for a moment to show you this hillside here. Puerto Princesa calls themselves the city of the living God. This is just one more reminder how they respect and honor God, even way up on the hilltops out here in the mountains. Beautiful. All right, let's keep rolling.
Say that. One more time. Is sanctification, deliverance from the power of sin. It says, yet to all, everybody say we read verse 12. Yet to all who did receive him, to those who believe in his name, he gave the right to become children of God. Look at this, verse 13. Children born not of natural descent, nor of human decision, or a husband's will, but born of God.
We are back. Is Lorena. Looks like another windy day, and judging by this waterfall here that's usually dry, it's been raining here quite a bit. That means the Wonderfalls will be falling too. Hi, nice to see somebody's here to greet me. Where's Prada, huh? Where's your mama, huh? Where's your little puppy? Hello. Yeah, cute little faces. Hey, monkey feeding time. Not Prada feeding time. They're actually out of bananas, so let's see if monkeys have some bread for lunch. We'll find out on the monkey cams. See the house there? I moved one of the monkey cams right chair. You can see nice little sitting area for them to have their tinapay or their bread. Well, let's see if they take the bait here. It's monkey pool time for me. Matsavenya Vamokisi Vama Matsavenya. Oh, you don't want me singing anymore, okay. Fine. It's another beautiful day here. Rainy season without the rain. And as soon as I got here, not talking to you, Queen summoned me down the hill there to speak to somebody who is going to be installing solar panels on our house so we can have solar power. So I'm going to get out the old Happy Cam 1, which I guess now I call the flying brick. It hasn't flown in a while, so we're gonna give it a try, see what happens. Wish me luck. Alright, well, recharging the batteries for the drone, and rod is out. Do you know what I'm thinking? I think it's a good day to go for a swim. Let's go see what the fishies are doing. That would be a calm day for swimming. The waves aren't that high, but you can see from the video, oh my gosh, there's a surge. It was like pushing me all the way to the eastern end of of the beach. So instead of fighting it, I'll go back up and relax in the hammock for a while. Well, we're back here at the monkey feeding ground, and I see something's been nibbling on the bread, but it's not a monkey. I guess they're choosy. They didn't have any bananas in town when I wanted to get their food. Hello, Mr. Butterfly. So I thought I'd try bread, but apparently monkeys are a little fussy when it comes to eating. So next week we'll get them some bananas. Changing out the SIM cards. We'll see what we got on the video. Can you take a wild guess where I'm at right now? Yeah, I know you hear the waves behind me, so yeah, that's a dead giveaway. We're at Serendipity Point, the point actually, and since we got 100 viewers, woo, on one of our last videos, I went ahead and climbed down that extremely steep. All those rocks are loose there, so if you take one bad step, you get the idea. And then I have to tell Happy why I got bumps and bruises on me. So the plan is next year, probably around Christmas time or just after New Year's, we're gonna build steps kind of going up like around that direction. Bring us down to our beach here, which, how's that for a beach? You thought the rocky beach was rocky? Yeah, this is pretty much what we have for a beachfront here. But it's nice. We've got a nice big shade tree here that we're going to put a little swinging hammock. And we can look out over the view here. Kind of enjoy our own little private secluded beach. It's not much to walk on. It's all big time rocks. But I'll show you this little area over here. It's kind of cool though. Alrighty, you can see our little future hammock tree there. And then up there is anyways, yeah, our house is just up there. And check out these little things here. This is low tide. And we got these little tidal pools here. Really cool. You can kind of just like hang out, I guess, with all the crabs. And just kind of enjoy sitting in one of these little tide pools with the crabs, I guess, and little fish. And then just enjoy, you know, looking out over the ocean, and every once in a while get a little surprising rogue wave that comes up, like this one's coming right now. Yeah. And yeah. So that's where we are. There's Rocky Beach right there. There's the sandy beach and all the other houses over there. Right in the middle. Right in the middle of all the fun. And for the first time in 5 years, I am standing on Serendipity Point at Serendipity Point. I've never done this before. I've never came out here, but this is the point. You can kind of see, well, you can't see it from here, but the reason why I call it Serendipity Point, there's the house, is that it points south. There's the point pointing south. Now you know. Alrighty. Ooh, another tide pool. Oh, just right size for me to fit in. Nice. I think he said get back here. Looks like we got another rain delay. Here it comes. Fly! You just fall. And your friend too. What left as a tree? It's come back as a door. Wow. Wow. Alrighty, well the rain stopped for the moment. And I am on my way back to town. even though the carpenters are just getting started on putting in the doors and the windows and paint and all kinds of good stuff. I gotta go back because my visa expired. No, it's not expired yet, but I gotta extend it for one more month. You see something, Prada? Well, okay. So yeah, I gotta go in down, extend my visa one more day. One more month, actually. I'm tired. I'm hungry. A jungle fever. So, all right. We'll see you guys soon. God bless. I told Cara, no, wala pera para magdo. Merong pera para mga tools.
No, Mary, eat corn.
Ay, wala. Wala pera. Wala.
Really bad. Eat it.
Yung ano rin ha, kasama nyo yung
I'm bad, okay?
kasama ba yun?
You're funny.
Meron ko rin yung len.
Bad.
Ha?
Really
Ano pa sa
bad.
resibo?